Most camera upgrades are easy to overlook. They often feature a slightly better sensor, a few extra frames per second, or a new color profile that nobody asked for. But the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 did something rare when it launched in October 2024. It didn't just compete in the action camera market, it quietly redefined what that market was supposed to be. So when the conversation shifts to its successor, the Ace Pro 3, the question isn't just what's coming, it's whether anything coming can actually justify the upgrade. Leaks suggest a redesign of the camera that prioritizes how creators actually shoot over impressive specs. If this perspective is genuine, it holds more significance than any individual number. Here's what we know so far. Before getting into the hardware, it's worth understanding why the Ace Pro 3 hasn't arrived yet. Historically, Insta360 has run on a tight annual cycle. The original Ace Pro launched in November 2023. The Ace Pro 2 followed in October 2024. Based on that pattern, most people expected an Ace Pro 3 by late 2025. That didn't happen. The reason isn't internal, it's competitive. None of the major action camera makers, including DJI and GoPro, has released a true 8K action camera capable of competing directly against the Ace Pro 2. DJI's Osmo Action 6, which launched in November 2025, came with a larger 1x1.1-inch sensor and a variable aperture, real hardware improvements. But it remained limited to 4K recording, despite the sensor being technically capable of more. Without a genuine 8K competitor threatening its sales, Insta360 has had no strategic pressure to rush the Ace Pro 3 out. Instead, the company extended the Ace Pro 2's lifecycle with special editions and accessory bundles, a calculated move to maximize the current hardware while preparing something more substantial. Current industry watchers place an expected launch in the first half of 2026, with a Q2 window being the most commonly cited window, time to counter competitors before they close the resolution gap, rather than reacting after the fact. The most consequential rumor surrounding the Ace Pro 3 is the sensor upgrade. Leaks point to a 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor co-developed with Leica, a meaningful step up from the Ace Pro 2's already capable hardware. It's worth pausing here, because the jump from a smaller sensor to a 1-inch format isn't just a spec line item, it's a physics change. Larger sensors gather more light per pixel. In clean, controlled conditions, that difference is subtle. But action cameras almost never operate in clean, controlled conditions. Night riding through city streets, shooting under unpredictable indoor lighting, transitioning between bright and shadowed environments mid-clip. These are the scenarios where smaller sensors break down, and where post-production gets expensive in both time and quality. A 1-inch sensor doesn't eliminate those challenges, but it changes the margin of error significantly. Less noise reduction needed, less aggressive sharpening to compensate, and more retained shadow and highlight detail when the shot goes sideways. The Leica partnership extending into this generation adds another layer. Insta360 and Leica Camera AG officially renewed their strategic partnership in March 2025, having first collaborated in 2020. That relationship goes beyond branding. It influences color science, lens rendering, and tuning decisions that feed directly into how footage looks straight out of the camera. For creators shooting content that mixes this camera with other gear, consistent color behavior becomes genuinely useful rather than a marketing footnote. The rumored video specs build on the Ace Pro 2's foundation in ways that are worth reading carefully. 8K recording at 30 frames per second with HDR and log profiles is expected to carry over. But the more interesting number is 4K at 120 frames per second in 10-bit color. That combination, high frame rate with proper color depth, is quietly one of the most practical upgrades for working creators. Most content isn't delivered at 8K, it's delivered at 4K, 1080p, or in vertical formats on social platforms. What 8K capture actually provides is a resolution buffer you can reframe, crop, and stabilize in post without losing output quality. The real day-to-day workhorse, though, is 4K, and 4K at 120 frames per second in 10-bit means slow motion that grades cleanly, edits consistently with other footage, and doesn't carry the washed out or compressed look that's plagued high frame rate action camera footage for years. Rounding out the video suite, 1080p at 240 fps is also rumored, giving creators an extreme slow motion option for detail-focused moments. The Ace Pro 2's FlowState stabilization was already one of its strongest selling points. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to push this further with a FlowState 2.0 system, featuring AI-assisted 360-degree horizon lock and, notably, a global shutter. A global shutter eliminates rolling shutter distortion, the warping effect that affects fast-moving subjects or quick camera pans, which has been a persistent limitation in action cameras operating with CMOS sensors. Removing that issue at the hardware level, rather than correcting it in software, is a meaningful reliability upgrade. The AI layer is expanding beyond stabilization. Leaks reference a triple AI system covering auto-editing, gesture control, advanced noise reduction, and color grading assistance. The direction here is clear. The camera is being designed to do more of the processing work itself, reducing what creators need to handle in post. For solo shooters managing their own production pipeline, that's not a luxury feature, it's a workflow change. One of the most underreported areas in action camera reviews is endurance, and it's where the Ace Pro 3 rumors make a strong case for itself. The rumored battery life hits up to 200 minutes of continuous recording at 4K 30 FPS, paired with a 10-minute fast charge system that reportedly brings it back to operational capacity quickly. For context, that kind of runtime changes how you shoot. Fewer battery swaps during travel days, longer uninterrupted helmet or handlebar sessions, and less anxiety during extended outdoor shoots where charging access is limited. Waterproofing is expected at 16 meters without a dive case, improving on the Ace Pro 2's 10-meter rating, with dive case compatibility extending that to 60 meters, meaningful for underwater creators working in more demanding conditions. Audio is also reportedly getting a proper upgrade. Improved directional microphones with AI wind noise cancellation address one of the most common complaints about action camera audio in outdoor environments. It's the kind of spec that doesn't move headlines, but absolutely shows up in usability. Leaked pricing places the Ace Pro 3 between $549 and $599, a notable jump from the Ace Pro 2's $399.99 launch price. That gap needs to be justified not just by spec sheets, but by real-world workflow improvement. The sensor upgrade, extended battery, improved stabilization, and audio refinements collectively make a reasonable case. Thank you for tuning in. The Ace Pro 3 isn't confirmed yet, but the picture being painted by these leaks is consistent enough to take seriously a larger sensor, smarter stabilization, longer endurance, and an AI layer that does more of the heavy lifting before footage even reaches your timeline. Whether it lands in Q2 or later in 2026, the direction is clear. Insta360 isn't just iterating, they're repositioning what an action camera is supposed to do. The real question now is whether the final product matches the rumor. Drop a comment below. What's the one feature that would actually make you upgrade to the Ace Pro 3?